Wait.
No, he's gonna take
naghintay?
it. Yeah. You can tell he's actually gonna take that parking lot. That's gonna be too rude. I'm not gonna have a parking lot fight here.
Ay, nandiyan pa lang mga ilaw.
What?
Hot tub.
Oh, there is a show. What show is that?
They
can
show.
go
I
there.
think
Let
that's
know.
a show. I think they're selling
At
it.
bathtub, hot tub, daddy?
Hmm.
Well, I'm
gonna
stepping
go
on the
there.
wire.
Then turn left. Turn
Jesus
right.
fucking Christ.
Yeah.
In
Go back
400
out, ate.
feet.
Wala.
Turn left. Then
Yeah, I
turn
might
left.
Ah,
have to go somewhere.
Stay ka lang muna dito, ate. Labas na kami. Ikaw na lang bahala maghanap ng parking.
No.
I'll just find parking.
Daddy,
Oh
no.
god, that car is so... Oh, I thought there's a...
Yan. Wait.
Open the window. Hey, are you living? Hello? Are you living? Where? Oh, I'll
Ilalagay
go
lang
there.
niyang pinamili. Go.
Should I go?
Go.
Go where?
Straight. Turn around.
I'll turn
There.
around.
Go back out. Just go back out. We'll move to the other side. Mayroon niya sa likod. Tandaan lang kasi ang iba biglang lalabas yan.
Wala, may nag-ano na aitan.
Turn right.
So it's hard to find a parking
Then
I
turn
think I
left.
saw a parking lot
Area
but I'll try
here.
that way instead.
because it's a Black Friday sale. So we'll just
Get out.
go around.
Yeah,
Oops.
kapapark lang niya. Yun yung
Just
kanina
park?
nakita yata.
Oh yeah, this.
Just get out.
Yeah. No.
So we go out.
You can wait here for the parking, ate, while mo shopping kami, ate.
No.
Sige na.
Daddy, ikaw na kaya magano? Ikaw na lang magano, maghanap ng parking.
I'm gonna go to the left side. I think there's probably.
Yeah, marami na sa left side.
Turn left. Then turn left.
So we're already here. 5 minutes going around looking for a parking.
Oh, Carolina Pottery. We have one in our place.
Next time magdala tayo ng ano.
Ah yeah, Daddy,
Titan.
look. There is, what's that, Daddy?
Turn right.
Hot
Then
tub?
turn right.
Oh,
Next time itanong, dala tayo ng parking lot natin.
merong ano guys, show ng hot tub. How much is it? I'm curious of the price of the hot tub.
Look itan.
Look,
There's
it's
car living.
where? Oh, there's another one. Sayang. Sayang.
Unahan pa.
I think we have to wait. Okay. So we are not.
Ayun, meron at bakante yung umalis, ate. Pasok dito, ate.
So pasok here. Okay, go. Oh, go.
Wait.
Wait, ate, they're going out.
Wait,
This
ate.
one, no?
Pa.
No, this one.
Hindi na mayroon. Lalabas din yan? You don't know.
No, they just arrived.
Just
No.
arrived.
Yeah.
Another
May
one.
lalabas din.
What do you mean? They're
Just
gonna
wait.
take it. You cannot just steal someone's parking lot.
Okay.
Jeez.
Mayroon doon sa kabila na side.
It's hard to find a parking. It's Black Friday. So what do you expect?
Just parking on the grass. You
Oh,
cannot
go.
park on the grass. No,
You
you
cannot-
cannot park on the
Only
grass.
the truck
you
can park
dumbass.
because it's bigger.
What about here? Is there parking here?
No.
They just
Just
arrived.
leave.
Oh, how about this? Are they
Na, you
leaving?
cannot park there. That's
Oh,
for
that's the ano.
Yeah.
Do you have this?
Maraming parkingan doon sa kabila. Ate, doon ka
The
na.
left side.
More
Yeah,
left
left
or left.
side.
Napakaluwag doon. Nandun yung mga
Drive your
gymnasium.
car inside the store.
So we're 10 minutes already.
Are you really?
We're 10 minutes here. Just. Oh yeah, there. Look. Ayun o. Ano din iba.
Oh, dito ate. Kabila. Labas.
No.
Sus.
No, it's a short car. It looks like there's a parking, but there's no parking. Oh no.
No parking.
Ito one.
What the
Nah,
heck?
meron.
There is.
Yeah, I know. There's a
There
short
is.
car. I think there's more in front.
Di, maluwag yan dyan ate.
Yeah,
Go
there's
there.
nothing in here, right?
Wala
Ethan?
dito.
Right.
Go all the way there. Marami doon.
Yeah, this is illegal. It said no parking, no trespassing. Nothing here, right?
Wala. Go straight there. Oh, may kambal ka oh.
Which kambal?
Yun oh.
I'll go
Ah.
this way.
Wala din.
Oh,
Nakaparallel na
nasa
sila dito
side
lahat.
na sila. Naka-parallel parking na sila, guys.
Okay, you're gonna have to help me.
Oh, the other cars are
Slow
now
down, we will see in the left.
parking on
I'm
the
gonna go
grass.
Police reported ahead.
Hala.
Oh, usually there's gonna be a police here. No, you're not gonna let me go? Rude. You're rude.
Where do you have to post
Can you just stop?
Quiet.
I'm trying. I think that lady's leaving. No, I think that lady's arrived.
But that lady is leaving, but someone in front of us.
Maybe I should just go forward. You know what? Let's go forward. There's probably parking there somehow.
Kung mas maluwag pang parkingan dyan.
Can we just go across and we'll just walk?
I'm gonna go around one more time. If not, I'll go. Actually, I'll just go straight. I think there's more parking in there. I think.
Yan, maluwag doon.
You know, the pickup is leaving.
I know, but there's so many cars in
Yung mga
front of
side
me.
doon ate, wala namang papark doon. Yung mga grasses na.
What happened to this car? Did they get crashed?
Where?
Behind. Why are they looking like that? You see that?
Okay.
Or never mind, just try to
Wala,
park.
napapark.
And a crash ka. Ethan, quiet.
They don't care.
So
Check
guys,
just what's in front of us.
it's hard to find.
Yun doon, street
So
care tayo doon ate.
someone,
May lumabas yun.
others, they already parked
Para
on
may
the
lumabas na
grass.
Are you able to park there? Is it pay park?
And
Ay,
others
bayaran natin
are
kung ano para
on the parallel park na.
pay park na
No,
tayo yan.
are they gonna let me
They
in?
park?
I don't want to risk it. No, I don't want
Yes,
to
you can.
fit. I'm not trying to fit there, Ethan.
No,
I don't want to
go.
risk it.
They're leaving.
What do you mean they're leaving?
That's the one is
They are
walking.
leaving. I'll wait for that car to go. I'll go. Oh no, they do parallel parking. No, I'm not doing that.
Nandun sila sa grass.
I am not. No, easier later.
Finally,
You don't have to stop
guys,
talking right now.
we got a parking. Tingnan mo natin sa likod.
Ini ate, kalit-lit na sasakyan. Go ate. Yeah, make straight. Yeah, go straight. Oh.
Tingnan mo dami.
Kaya ang anak niya, wala tiwala sa anak mo.
Is it double? Oh, there's two area over here to park.
Yeah,
Or just
no,
one?
Yeah.
Kunin mo na
Behind, there's
No, I'm not gonna take one. I'm gonna readjust again. Let me just.
just only one.
Hindi na magkasya. Ayan ate, hindi na magkasya.
Hindi na
No, it's not
magkasya.
gonna fit anyway.
Hindi na
Yeah.
magkasya.
True.
Okay, guys. Finally, after
Yeah.
after 15
Hold on. Do not move.
minutes
Let me check.
or 20
let me
minutes.
Yeah, I think. Wait. Let me just repark. I don't wanna.
Pwede na ate. Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Oh.
Okay, I don't wanna be
Para
a jerk.
You will
mas
be.
maluwag pa ngayon sa kabila doon, no?
Okay na yan.
Okay,
That's fine.
wait. Let me go back more.
Tinan ko lang sa likod kung okay na ba. Sige, okay lang. Pwede na yan. Angat mong ano mo ate. Ito, glass.
Okay.
Finally, we got a parking. Let's go.